Hi guys. Is that clear enough? How about the, like that? Can you guys see me? Yeah, I know. No, too much. Hey guys, it's Eddie and welcome to another video. I for somehow like start these videos like very awkward, and I'm like really sorry. So for today's video, I have a beauty hack sugar scrub. It's for the body, but it's with Shea Moisture. It's the 4th box of the month, and today's pretty much like the last day to like upload, and like I'm always last minute. So, and pretty much what I'm going to be doing is mixing all of these ingredients together and making a body sugar scrub, but I'm gonna be doing it for the face. Okay, perfect. Got the thumbnail. You guys look dirty. I brought a bowl. This is more like for hair dye and stuff, but like yeah. So now I'm just gonna take you guys, pretty much show you guys what I'm going to do, and I'm going to be using the coconut. If I could just focus. Vitamin E oil to protect. Now that I have everything pretty much on, this looks, girl, it feels so moisturizing. Actually, I should have like showed you guys what the recipe book looks like. And I have, I think I have exfoliating nourish. Yeah, duh. So this is what I have. Oh, it actually came with like another it came with a small little bottle that says Shea Moisture that I could put like the leftover sugar scrub if I wanted to, but it accidentally broke as the mailman came. I, you know, opened my box and it was already broken, so that kind of sucked. I really wanted to use that. It was like really cute. It was like a little mason jar-ish kind of ish, but I sadly don't have it with me. So this feels really good on my face right now, and like the coconut, you could just smell it. Okay, and we are back. It's been a couple of minutes. So this is damp. with cold water last. I'm going to go with the Daily Glow Prime Moisturizer that also was given to me by Shea Moisture. There we go. There it is. I am done. I've done my do it yourself. My face feels so moisturized and my lips look way different than if you guys didn't notice. Them shits were dry. But this was a ton of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. And